Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to make alternating colored cells in Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets file that you need. Select the cells that you want. Click on the fill icon at the top tools bar. Choose the color from the list. Click on it to apply the color to the cells. Skip one row. Select the next row of cells. Click on the fill icon at the top tools bar. Choose the color from the list. Click on it to apply the color to the cells. Repeat until you're satisfied with the result. You can also create alternating colored cells by using already existing tools. Select the whole table. Click on the fill icon at the top tools bar. Choose alternating colors from the list. The right side tools panel will open. You can check header or footer option to see the available styles. You can also uncheck header and/or footer to see the other options. Click on the color styles that you want to apply. If you want, you can change the colors of the style. Go to header/footer option and click on the color icon. Choose the color that you want from the list. Repeat for color 1 and color 2 options if necessary. Click on Done to apply the styles. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!